is me, Shortcut from Techmaster, and I welcome you all to the next episode from Techmaster. So I have not given video since Tuesday this week. So today I plan to give you a good surprise that my watch time has increased and gone to 200, and like that only I will reach the minimum 4000 watch time and the 1000 subscriber for monetizing my channel. So if you're new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell and share this video and like this video. So let's begin. So guys, today's topic is a bit different because today I'm going to tell you how to grow your channel on YouTube from 0 subscribers to having 1000 minimum subscribers for monetizing your channel, and different tips and tricks that I use in my videos to grow daily. Okay, so and there is also an update about the vlogging video that is coming on the 24th of Jan. Okay, it's coming out 24th of Jan. As I said before, it is coming after 20th of Jan, and I have confirmed in this video that it will come on 24th of Jan 2019, the vlogging video that will come out in my channel Techmaster, on this channel only, and please stay tuned for that. And I told there will be an unboxing video in a few days after the gift is delivered. I will unbox it and there will be a giveaway of 500 rupees. Okay, for that I will make a separate video. It will not be stimulated in this video only. For the giveaway there will be a separate video. So let's watch how to grow in YouTube 2019. So let's go to my laptop screen. So guys, welcome to my laptop screen. So please subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more video updates like this. So today I will show you how to get a good topic for the YouTube channel that you are running currently and how to grow on YouTube. Firstly, if you want to grow on YouTube, you must have an ambition and a goal. Okay, the goal is to make your content more visible to your viewers. Okay, that's how you are going to gain views, you are going to gain watch time, and you are going to gain subscribers. You know what I'm trying to tell you. Okay, and for that you are going to need a good topic. A good topic doesn't only means a topic that is on trending, but it must have a good content for which the subscribers must come to you. Now most of you are going to ask me, sir, from where we get those topics, from where we get the trending topic, a good content on which you are going to make videos. So in my recommendation, you have to go to Google search bar or any of your search engine browser, and you have to type Google Trends. Okay, you have to type Google Trends and you have to search for this website. Okay, it's a Google website, Google trending website. This website shows you the trending topics that are being searched in the last 24 hours on YouTube and Google. Okay, I'm going to open up. After opening the website, the interface is like this. You're going to see it, and the link will be given in the description. You can go and open the Google Trends from the link that will be given in the description. After opening up the website, you have to go on the 3 dots on the left hand side. You can see over here I am popping it up. You have to click on that. After clicking that, you have to go to trending searches. Okay, you have to click on trending searches, and the page will load in front of you like this. You can see over here. Then you have to select your country over here, and you have to scroll down to your country. Since I live in India, I'm going to choose India. Okay, and there are two headlines over here. You can see daily trending searches. Okay, this is the daily topics that are being searched on YouTube and Google, and this is the real trending search. Okay, here you can select your video through the categories given over here. See, it is given business, entertainment, health, science and tech, sports, top stories. Since I do about tech and science, so I will select science and tech over here, and I'm going to see what are the different types of topics that are being searched in the past 24 hours. You can see over here Fortnite Epic Games Battle Royale game is being searched and is the #1 trending topic over here. Dinosaurs, Jurassic Park, Jurassic World, Salasterius, this second one. You can also make a video on this one. Laptop, advanced micro devices, Asus VivoBook 15. You can also make on this topic Oppo India, WhatsApp, Christmas Day, Insight Must. This is a science technology based channel will do on this, and a tech based channel will do on the Vivo India smartphone. If you're going to click on this tab on any of the bars, it will pop up like this, and these are going to show you in the demographic graphs over here how many times the topic is being searched over here. Okay, for how many numbers or how many days the topic is on the trending list, and you're going to get some articles over here. You can read any of the articles over here and gain the knowledge of the trending topic, and you can make on the topic on that. Okay, if you click on any of the articles over here, it's going to open up like this. You can see it's loading on the page, and you can select any language over here. It supports any language. Okay, see, it's written over here Vivo Y93 भारतीय बेस्टाई पर लंच से पहले लीड्स. Okay, you can see over here it's written in Hindi. Okay, you can see over here all the trending topics on each and every category you will get over here. Okay, on the Google Trends. Now I tell you guys that this is the first thing you have to do for getting a good number of views, good number of watch time, and good number of subscribers. Okay, in 2019, if you have an ambition to establish yourself on the platform of YouTube, the greatest platform for any type of creator. Okay, any type of creator, if you're planning to do it in 2019. Okay, this is the first thing you're going to do. The second thing you're going to matters in making a YouTube video is creating a good thumbnail. If you have a good thumbnail, okay, people are going to attract towards your video, because if you make anything selective, or if you're going to make anything attractive, the people will be made to click on your video definitely. Okay, there are more videos like this on YouTube. Previously, before the YouTube algorithm changed a few days back in December to stop the clickbait. Okay, you know what's clickbait. I will not speak it in details because it will go against the guideline terms and conditions. Okay, you know what's clickbait. To stop that thing, YouTube has given a good update of previewing the whole content without any audio. Okay, it's a great thing to stop the clickbait. So you have to make a thumbnail that correlates with your video, with your title, okay, and with the description. It must not be a clickbaitable thumbnail. Okay, the third things that come to your mind after these two is to how to rank your videos in the top searches. For that, you're going to need tags, SEOs, the different types of brand names you're going to use in your tags after uploading a video. Okay, so for that you're going to ask, sir, from where we are going to get tags, from where we are going to do the different types of SEOs. For that you don't need to do any hard work. Just scroll down, you see over here the different types of boxes. It's written over here: Vivo Next, iPhone 10R price in India, Vivo Y93. These are the different types of tags, okay, you can use for that in your video. So this is what I had for today, you guys, and if you like my video, please share with your friends these tips and tricks to grow on YouTube in 2019 and establish themselves. And I'm also trying to establish myself on YouTube platform, the greatest platform Google has given to us to move forward and to make our country proud. Okay, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe the channel, hit the notification bell to get more video updates like this from YouTube for free. And if you want to follow me up on my social media networks, all the links of my handles are given in the description. Go follow them up for the vlogging videos, because the countdown has already started. You have something like 20 to 24 days in your hand before the vlogging videos, and there will be a giveaway. For that there will be a next video for the giveaway, and the unboxing video will come very soon. Thank you guys, have fun, be healthy, thank you.